If you've noticed flakes, dryness or irritation on your little one's scalp and you're wondering what's causing it and how to treat it, this video is for you. We're covering common reasons for dry scalp in children, and these are reasons that I have personally come across time and time again when dealing with my clients, and we're also going to look at the best ways to treat it. Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Novella and I help moms confidently care for their children's natural hair so that they can teach their children how to, love their hair and love themselves unapologetically, change their hair story and create new generational cycles. Okay mamas, let's get straight into it. So one of the most common reasons for dry scalp in children, believe it or not, is product buildup on the scalp. Now, many of us love using, creams and butters to keep our little one's hair, feeling smooth, soft, conditioned, and also to help with moisture retention. But when you apply these products directly to the scalp, it can cause serious buildup on the scalp. Now, this buildup will eventually clog the scalp, leading to dryness, flaky, itchy scalp, and so much more. Let's talk about actually oiling your little one's scalp. I'm sure you're probably thinking by doing this is going to help to get rid of the dryness, it's going to help to reduce the flakes that you're seeing in your little one's scalp, it's going to help to moisturize it. Mamas, I know that oiling the scalp goes way back. I mean, I can remember way back when I was a child, I would sit between my mom's legs. She would apply grease, actually not even oil, she would apply a thick layer of grease to my scalp. Now initially it would seem like the flakes had gone when she would do this, but then within a couple of days the flakes will be back, and they'll be back with a vengeance. So I know that is like an old tradition, something that we continue to do because we don't know better. But mamas, let me tell you, oiling your little one's scalp just makes matters worse. It actually feeds the dryness and it comes back worse. Oils in general do not moisturize anything. Oils aren't moisturizers. There's no form of water content in oils. So applying oils to your little one's scalp isn't actually going to moisturize it. The whole purpose of oils is to provide shine, some lubrication, and also to help slow down the evaporation of moisture. So rather than putting the oils on your little one's scalp, it is best for the hair itself rather than on the scalp. The amazing thing about your little one's scalp and our scalps is that it produces oils naturally, and this oil is called sebum, which is enough to keep a little one's scalp healthy and protected. So when we add extra oil to their scalp, it can clog the scalp pores, as I mentioned before, and cause a whole lot of issues such as dryness, which a little one is currently experiencing, flakiness, itching, irritation, even dandruff. So unless your doctor, dermatologist, trichologist has actually prescribed something for your little one's scalp, there's no need to apply anything to your little one's scalp. Instead, the best way to deal with dry scalp is honestly to wash your little one's scalp regularly with a good shampoo. And when I say regularly, I'm talking about weekly if your little one has dry scalp. And for your older little ones, I would recommend incorporating a clarifying shampoo every 4 to 6 weeks. This is really going to help to remove any stubborn buildup that is left on the scalp and really put your little one's scalp in a healthy state. This is one of the best ways to moisturize your little one's scalp and also keep your little one's scalp healthy. Now I know you might be thinking, well, if my little one's scalp is dry, shouldn't I maybe not wash it as much because it's going to make it worse? And the answer is it really isn't. It's actually going to help or benefit your little one's scalp in more ways than you can think. Having a clean scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth, for a healthy scalp. So mamas, more oil or more products on the scalp isn't the answer if your little one's scalp is dry. Now this brings me nicely onto my next point, is actually not washing your little one's scalp properly. So using the right techniques to wash your little one's scalp. So it's really important to really wash your little one's scalp thoroughly with good techniques to really lift off that dirt, debris, oils from their scalp to prevent that buildup on their scalp. So on wash days, as well as focusing on their hair strands, be sure to focus on the scalp. If you've watched any of my wash day videos, you will see that I work in sections, particularly for my little ones that have longer hair. I like to work in sections so I can really get to their scalp, and then I use the pads of my fingers to gently massage their scalp. This is great in general for, you know, encouraging blood flow to the scalp, and also to remove that buildup from their scalp. Super important. Mamas, if you are struggling with your little one's hair, you know, you're not sure what regimen they need to have, you're not sure what products to use, they're dealing with breakage, stunted growth, any kind of issue you're struggling when it comes to little one's natural hair, as I always say, I'm here to help you. If you need help and you'd like to work with me one-on-one, click the link below this video and book a call with me. In that call, I will listen to you and help you find a solution to whatever you're struggling with. I will help you create a regimen. I will also provide you with product recommendations and really help you to change your little one's hair story. Mamas, if you're noticing more persistent issues like thick, flaky, crust-like, even scaly, or sometimes itchy, inflamed skin on your little one's scalp, this could actually be cradle cap, seborrheic dermatitis, or even dandruff. In this case, it's best to contact your GP for a referral to see a dermatologist, or you go directly to a trichologist for diagnosis. And the main reason for this is because these kind of conditions require special treatments and a diagnosis, and in general it's always best to seek professional advice if you're concerned about your little one's scalp. Remember, mamas, every child is different and their scalp needs can vary too. So if you're dealing with a specific condition, as mentioned before, it's always best to seek professional help for the right care. Mamas, I know when it comes to your little one's scalp health, it can become overwhelming, especially if you don't know what you're doing or you've tried everything possible, but it still feels like your little one's scalp is dry. But it really is all about keeping things super simple and just finding the right balance and routine, keeping your little one's scalp clean and literally leaving it alone so that the scalp can do what it's supposed to do. Now mamas, if you need personalized help with the little one's natural hair, if you're struggling, if you become frustrated or even overwhelmed with all the information out there and you just want a solution to help you care for your little one's hair confidently, as I mentioned before, click the link below and book a call with me. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you get to a place where you are confidently caring for your little one's hair. I want to help you change your little one's hair story and create new generational cycles. All right, mamas, I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.